Do you need a better website? If you're a small business owner or sales professional, building your website with a software account powered by Go High Level gives you more than just a website. It gives you a complete client conversion system. With built-in leads capture, appointment booking, follow-up automation, and a full CRM, your website becomes a powerful tool to turn visitors into paying customers. It's mobile-friendly, easy to update, and fully integrated with email, text, and sales pipelines, so you get results, not just clicks. Not sure if a software account website is right for your business? Just visit humanbrainbox.com, click Pricing, then select Get Free Software Account, fill out the form, and we'll set up your account for free. Then, a marketing success manager will reach out to help you get started and show you how it works for your business. How to add a new website in Go High Level. Log into your account, go to your software account dashboard, and click on Sites in the left-hand menu, then click Websites in the top menu bar. To create a new website and add a page in your software account, to start a new website, click the New Website button. You'll have the option to start from blank or from a template. Click from Templates, then click Create. The template library will appear. Browse and click on the website template you'd like to use. Then to save the template to your account, click Continue. The full website template will automatically open. In the upper left corner, click Back. This takes you to the Pages section of the website you just created. It is simple to add a new page to your website you just created. Click Add New Page, give your page a name, and set the URL path and put a dash between words. Click Create New Page. You'll have two options: use existing or create from blank to copy a page from another funnel, website, or webinar. Select Choose Website, then Website Page, then click Import. It's that simple. In the upper right corner of the box for a specific page, click the three-dot menu to access options such as Settings, Clone, Products, or Delete Page. Stats. This shows how your pages are performing. You'll see views, visitors, form submissions, and clicks so you know what's working. Sales. If you're selling anything, this is where you track purchases and revenue. You can even connect Stripe to process payments. Security. This helps keep your site safe. You can manage SSL, password-protected pages, or limit access to certain people. Events. Use this to track things like form submissions or button clicks. You can even trigger automations based on those actions. Settings. Here's where you set your website's domain. Add tracking scripts like Google Analytics. Having a website is essential for any business because it helps people find you, learn about your services, and take action, like booking a call or making a purchase. It builds trust and gives your business a professional home online that's working 24/7. Using a Go High Level website takes that a step further. It's not just a website, it's part of a full client getting system. You can add landing pages, forms, automations, email and text follow-up, appointment booking, and more, all in one place. That means your website doesn't just sit there. It helps you capture leads, follow up automatically, and close more sales without needing extra software. It's smarter, faster, and built to grow your business. With Go High Level, any business can build and launch a website in just one day. You don't need to know how to code or start from scratch. Just pick a template, use the drag and drop editor to change the text, images, and colors to match your brand, and you're ready to go. You can add forms, connect your contact info, and even set up follow-up emails all in one place. It's a fast and easy way to get a professional website online and start getting leads right away. If your business doesn't have a website yet and you'd like a professional template set up within 24 hours, we've got you covered. Just visit our pricing page, click Get Free Software Account, fill out the short form, and we'll take care of setting up your account quick and easy. Then a marketing success manager will reach out to help you get started